everyone, Gabby here, and I'm kind of having a crazy week, so this video is going to be a little short, or not like as long of a normal Saturday video as I would like, but I thought I would share something very exciting with you all. If you know anything about me, I have been interested in J fashion and like the various millions of different styles that encompasses J fashion for like so long, and I've always wanted to buy something from Liz Lisa. And I actually, so this is my first like Liz Lisa purchase, like official, but I do actually have something that I bought off my friend. I'll show you it because I don't actually know the name of the pattern, and if someone can tell me the name of this pattern, I would greatly appreciate it. So here is a skirt that I bought off my friend from Liz Lisa. It is so pretty. I love it. I have not actually gotten to wear it yet because it's winter. It's too cold for skirts, even though I just wear fleece tights under them and pretend I'm not cold. But if you know what this print is called, I'll even like give you a close-up. If you know what this print is called, please let me know. So this was technically my first Liz Lisa item, but I did see that the winter sale was happening, and I was influenced by my same friend that sold me that skirt that I should buy something from the Liz Lisa winter sale. And I did, and I thought I would share it with you all, and we're going to try it on, and we're going to talk about it. I'll give you my impressions of Liz Lisa, and if I will be buying from them in the future, which like probably gonna buy more from them. But like realistically, I have to wait for every seasonal sale because Liz Lisa's like expensive. So first thing we got is the, crap, if I can remember the name of this exact design, it'd be great. I think it's called like ribbon embellishment skirt. I'll put the name of the item in the video so you know. But it is this beautiful skirt. I love it so much. I got it in the lavender color. It came in like a few different colors of plaid. I went with lavender. Actually, does it say on here what it is? Okay, I can't read Japanese. That doesn't help me. Here is the back. It has a zipper. It has some elastic. It also has pockets, which like, oh no, they're fake pockets. Y'all know how excited I was for the concept of real pockets on a skirt? Nope, they're just little fake ones. It's cute. But like, look at this freaking like pearls and all this stuff. This is so cute. It's very my style. And what I like about it is like it's really thick. Like it's actually like a really nice material. Again, I don't know what the material is because I can't read Japanese, but it feels really like warm. Like I think if I wore this now, I would not freeze to death, but to go with it, I had to get the sweater. I swear, I think this sweater was part of the fall collection. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong. But I remember once I saw this sweater drop, I was like, crap, I need it. But I also own like 50 million sweaters. But like, y'all, my reasoning is I got it in white so it'll go with everything. Look at it! It's so cute. It's this off the shoulder with these like little pearl heart buckle. And it's got lace, and it goes like across the shoulder with like more lace, and then down the sleeves. It's like these poofy lantern sleeves that y'all know I like. You know I haven't shut up about lantern sleeves. And then it has like a little lace bow, if my camera would focus. I don't know if it focused, I can't tell. And so, oh, it also has like these lace bows going down the front of the sweater. And it was another situation where I was worried that I would get this and it would not be as soft as it looks. Because I feel like when you buy sweaters online, there's like a 50% chance that like it's either going to be really soft or it's going to be incredibly itchy and you're never going to wear it. This is so soft. Like, it's so soft. I don't understand. Again, don't know what it's made of, but it's soft. It does have this like fuzzy texture. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera well, but like, I don't know if I super love the fuzziness, but like overall I'm obsessed with it and I need to try it on. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to have tried this on and I will show you what it looks like, because I've literally had this. Also, I did buy from the Liz Lisa international store, and I think it's called Tokyo Kawaii Life. And honestly, the shipping was pretty decent because I'm in the US. They DHL shipped it to me. I already opened the bag, obviously, and that's why you didn't see me opening a DHL package. I had so many DHL packages arrive recently that I needed to know what was in what bag. So I knew this was my Liz Lisa one. And I thought showing you a Liz Lisa bag was slightly more exciting than showing you another DHL package. So anyway, we're gonna go try this on. Also, from what I understand, everything in Liz Lisa is like one size. So I'm hoping this fits, or else that's embarrassing and sad, and it's going to be a 10-minute video of me crying that I don't fit my Liz Lisa outfit. But I think it should be fine. It looks like it should fit. Everything looks like it should fit fine. Also, how do we feel about this middle part? Because you know what? I don't know if I like it or hate it. Ignore the evening dress next to me. I'm not going anywhere. I just had it out because I wanted to wear it one day. So here is everything on. Everything fits very nicely, like it feels very nice on. I will say the sleeves of the sweater are a little long on me. I have them at my wrists to get that nice balloonage, but like in actuality my arms need to be slightly longer. The skirt fits super well. I would say if you have larger measurements than me, I probably would not get the skirt, because so getting it on was fine. Like I definitely have bigger hips than the people of Japan, so getting it on was a little bit of a struggle, but it fit really well. Everything feels very comfy. It feels very soft, very lovely. I really like everything. Like I said in the beginning, I did get this all during the winter sale, so everything was like 50% off, so I got the sweater and the skirt both 50% off. I don't know if I really would pay like the original price. Granted, they're really nice quality items, but like I don't have like $80 to spend on a sweater every winter. Like I really did treat myself to this. Like this was something I never normally would do. Oh, can you actually I don't know if you'll even see Pluto. He's getting an upgrade soon, but like that's next week's video. But I think everything feels really nice. It looks really nice. I do really like the skirt a lot. I love the skirt, honestly. I really like how it fits me. I feel very cinched. This is as far back as I can go, so this is as close as we're getting to a full body shot, so I'm sorry. But yeah, I think overall it's worth it. I would like to buy from Liz Lisa again in the future, but I'm not sure what. I've also considered if anyone would want to watch this, but like, would you want to watch me maybe like shop on Depop or eBay for like secondhand like Liz Lisa or like secondhand J fashion and like see my opinions of it? So I will say that I think for my whole purchase of the 2 items and the DHL shipping that I had to get, because the only way I guess they're shipping to America is DHL, I think my total came out to about like 107, I want to say. Like either 107 or like 110 for both items, which again, I got them both 50% off. But I do think if you want to like splurge and like treat yourself to like one really nice item, I do think this sweater is worth it. Also this skirt, I think the skirt is fully worth it. I think the skirt is really nice quality. It's just, it's so comfy. I don't understand how they make things that look so cute be so comfy. Like I feel like I could be in pajamas and just be like the happiest person in the world. Let me know what you think though. Like, would you actually spend that amount of money on this outfit, or do you think I'm ridiculous? But also keep in mind, again, didn't pay full price for them. If it was full price, it probably would have been like over $200 or something to get both pieces. My battery is low already. Too bad, we're gonna end the video now. Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it and want to see more J fashion content, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, yes you, go hit that subscribe button. It's right there. Do it. Get me to 1K by my birthday. It'd be really cool. I'm just saying. And in the comments down below, let me know what J fashion brands you'd want to see me shop at next. I'm really thinking about getting something from Listen Flavor, and that's not just because they released a Danganronpa collection. I would buy something from the Danganronpa collection and then something not from the Danganronpa collection, I swear. It would not just be Gabby Hall's Danganronpa Listen Flavor clothing, I swear. Also, my Instagram is always linked in the description of every single video if you want to see more cosplay content, behind the scenes of videos, or if you want to like vote on upcoming videos. I do a lot of polls there to see what people are interested in, so go check out my Instagram. It's at GabbyJabbyCosplay. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!